Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Microsoft Surface Pro, a versatile and powerful two-in-one laptop designed for both productivity and entertainment. With its sleek design, advanced hardware options, and enhanced features, this device aims to be the ultimate tool for professionals and casual users alike. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The Microsoft Surface Pro features a slim and lightweight design, weighing just 1.94 pounds. It maintains the iconic kickstand and detachable keyboard, allowing it to transition seamlessly between laptop and tablet modes. The build quality is premium, with a sturdy magnesium alloy chassis that feels both durable and elegant. Display. The Surface Pro boasts a 13-inch PixelSense display with a resolution of 2880 by 920 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate screen provides smooth visuals and is ideal for both creative work and entertainment. The display is bright, color accurate, and supports touch and pen input, making it perfect for drawing and note-taking. Performance. Under the hood, the Surface Pro offers two processor options: the Snapdragon X Elite and the Intel 12th Gen Core i7. The Snapdragon X Elite provides excellent performance and efficiency, making it suitable for demanding tasks like video editing and multitasking. The Intel version offers superior compatibility with a wide range of applications. Camera quality. The Surface Pro is equipped with a 1080p front-facing camera, which offers clear and sharp video quality, making it ideal for video conferencing and online meetings. The camera also supports Windows Hello facial recognition for quick and secure logins. The improved low-light performance ensures that you look your best even in dimly lit environments. Versatility and use cases. The Surface Pro excels in versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of use cases. Its ability to switch between different modes allows it to adapt to various workflows, whether you're sketching in tablet mode, typing in laptop mode, or presenting in studio mode. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for creative professionals, students, and business users. Connectivity and features. The Surface Pro comes with an expanded port array, including USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, and a Surface Connect port. This variety of ports enhances connectivity options, making it easier to connect peripherals and external displays. Additionally, the device supports Wi-Fi 6E, providing faster and more reliable internet connectivity, which is essential for seamless online work and entertainment. Battery life and charging. The Surface Pro offers impressive battery life, with up to 15 hours of usage on a single charge, depending on the workload. It takes approximately 2 hours to fully charge the battery, ensuring that you can quickly get back to work without long interruptions. User experience. Users have praised the Surface Pro for its exceptional build quality, versatile design, and powerful performance. The high refresh rate display and responsive touch and pen input have been highlighted as standout features. However, some users have noted that the peripherals can be expensive, and the high price point may be a consideration for some. Price and value. The Surface Pro starts at approximately $999 for the base model, with higher configurations reaching up to $1,999. While it is a significant investment, the laptop offers excellent value for those seeking a high-performance, versatile device that can handle demanding tasks. Conclusion: the Microsoft Surface Pro is a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile, high-performance two-in-one laptop. Its advanced hardware, sleek design, and robust build quality make it a valuable tool for both professionals and casual users. Overall, the Surface Pro offers a balanced mix of performance and features, making it a strong contender in the high-end laptop market. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.